Hey guys, Joe here with Local Pro Helper, and in this video I'm going to show you how to price a fence job in less than 60 seconds. So here we go. So first thing you're going to do is pick your material, and then you're going to pick the style of fence, the height, the color, and then click on here. So we're going to pretend the house is here. So we're going to say it goes out 30 feet to the left, 75 feet back, 75 feet across, 50 feet forward, and then on this side we're going to say it's 4 feet over, and then there's a gate, and then it's another 4 feet. If there's going to be any removal, any hard holes, if we're installing or if we're just pricing materials, calculate, done. So based off of these measurements, here's the customer's price. Come down, here's the drawing of what the layout would be. And then you scroll down even a little bit more. And then here is what your total costs are. So it'll tell you the total cost, it'll tell you your profit. It breaks everything down. So it's going to tell you need 27 full sections and then 4 for the cut sections. Here's all your cut pieces. And then it'll tell you, your gate and your corner, your ends, and your lines. Done. So where can you find this? You can find this at fenceprosolutions.com. And then, actually, I can just pull it up. So if you go to fenceprosolutions.com and then go to free tools, easy fence calculator. Click here and it'll bring you here. The only thing that you're going to have to do is you do have to set it up for yourself. So once you're in here, you'll have to create a login. And then first thing you're going to do is go up to set up your styles. You can, pick your style here. And then for this, you would just pick the style name. So, straight top, the height in the inches. Or, so for this, you would do, 72 inches. Fence color, the length. So the length is basically the spacing between the posts, so it'll be center on center. So cedar is typically going to be 8 foot on center. Oops. Be sure to do inches. And then for vinyl it's usually 95.5. And then here you're just going to put in the panel. The cap price is as actually this doesn't affect price at all, so just leave this blank. And then, or actually you can put like 0.01. Post price, you would put in that. And then for the gates, you would put in that. So then once you save that, oops, I thought I did that. So once you save that, that's for the retail price. Then you're going to go to your pricing. And then you're going to find this. Here's the one we just made. And then this is where you would put in your actual pricing. So this is for the panel. I'll just put 100 for everything. Okay. So then after that, scroll down, save it. So that's all you have to do. And then that's about it. So the quicker way, if you do have to set up a lot of these, so you go to cedar, you would type in straight top. This you would put 48 inches, cedar, 98. Or, oh my God, what am I doing? And then here, you can put in the pricing. And save this. And then afterwards, stay in here, just change this to 60. Go in and change your pricing. Okay, save that. And then you just keep on going down the line, just doing that same thing. That way you don't have to keep on, adding these in there. And then afterwards, you can go to our pricing, go down, find the 2, and just put in your pricing. The next thing you're going to do is your discount setup. So the way we set it up is that we do 5% discount for every $1,000 in materials they buy, up to 20%. You can set up the percentages for whatever you want. The discount step, so if we put in 750 here, it would be 5% off for every 750 bucks, up to 20%. So you can set that up, or if you don't want to do any kind of discount, we'll just put 0, okay? The other thing that you want to do is set up your labor. So you would pick the style of fence. You pick what your labor is per post. That's the way we have it set up. The removal, removal per foot. This we might switch eventually to per post as well. And then the hard hold charge, you can put whatever you want for that. That's it. So you have to save it. Oh, and it's free. So anyway, hope you guys have an awesome day, and talk to you soon.